Hey friends, how are you? This side Pinky, and I'm going to give you the information about web designing in my very first video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to know more about my tutorials in my upcoming videos. Today, I'm also going to help you to differentiate the web designing versus web development, which is different terms from each others, but yes, related to each other. We can talk about the basic steps and small summary of website, but focus will be on web designing. So let's start with the introduction of website with 10 easy steps. After this video, you will get to know that website is related to how many fields, and it is the basic knowledge of websites. So let's start with the first simple step of website. So first simple step is to design any website. We need the software to work with on, and your system needs to be installed with that Photoshop. If you need the designing to draw the structure, to give the look feel website. Second, you can download, use the simple Notepad++ to convert the PSD into HTML. It's very easy and lightweight for HTML and CSS. So we need the main two software, that is a Photoshop and Notepad++. There is another also softwares in the field, but we are using here a very simple and lightweight Notepad++ that you can easily download from the internet, and that is a Illustrator. You can see it's a view of an Illustrator that is used for graphic designing. So this is our first step, to download the tools on your system. Second, structure and wireframe. Create a structure or wireframe for your website. That is how it's look like. This is a part of a web designing. You can use the web tools, also a Photoshop or pen paper, to draw the structure, and structure like what the things where to place. Here you can view that there is a banner and there is an image, right side of the left side of the image with the text, and below the section of services. This is the structure, only the structure of the elements, placement of the things, and this is the structure and wireframe part. And next is a designing part. What is the designing? A whole designing on the basis of wireframe. Now after having the knowledge of the placing things, we can visualize the things like what the color schemes, what the fonts, what the images, and what the call to action buttons. So it is not like what we have looked in previous slide, but yeah, this is a actual preview of our website, that it look like same this. So this is the designing part. After the downloading the tools, then structure, then designing, and what is the fourth part? It's a one is an optional, and it's a little bit part in a designing, we can create logos, business card, banners, flyers, brochures, documents, presentations for clients. It's all cover the area of the graphics. And in our website, like you can see, there is a logo, that is a part of a graphic designing. So we can use some of the part in graphic designing in our website designing. So what is the next part of the web designing? After create the design, we convert the design into HTML, that is a version 5, and CSS, the version of a 3, latest version of the technologies. HTML and CSS. What is HTML? It is the coding part of the designing, and this is the designing. So we use what we use. We use the Notepad++ to work on the HTML, and we can do the CSS also in this file. So what is the CSS, what is the HTML, that is maybe unknown to you. So you can look my videos, you can totally view my upcoming video, to know what is HTML5 and CSS3. HTML5 is a hypertext markup language, and CSS3 is a Cascade style sheet. HTML like to create a structure, stand the structure. After visualize, we stand the structure with HTML5 and CSS, like we can cover all the designing, stylize the page with a CSS3. After this, we can cover the jQuery, Java and Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a framework of a CSS. It's like a part of a CSS that it's made. It's already something that you can prepare before. It's already prepared CSS that you can embed the file in your HTML, and then you can use the simple way with the classes IDs that can I tell you in my later videos. JavaScript and Java, it's a jQuery effects optional, and I'm not going to deeply in a jQuery and Java. It's a vast area of the coding part. So jQuery, I use jQuery for plugins for some animation for in it. And what is the next? Next is a development. Development is the most important part of the web, not a web designing. Designing is only the way of that you can visualize, but what is the development? That can be coding part. It's also coding part, but connected to a database. PHP database, SQL, Oracle SQL is a data language. It's a database languages. Like when we fill the form or create an account, then our information stores somewhere, and when we log in and put the information about mail and password, it match the both and it's login to our account. So all these things that dynamically work within a within a development part. So it's don't confuse that it's a designing and development, both are different, but yeah, after the designing part we will go for the development. But in this tutorial I am not going to tell you about the web development, because web development is different and web designing is a different, and I'm only going to share you with the web designing tutorials. After it, the search engine marketing, SEO. What is SEO? After development, we can go for a live site and then go for live site with SEO. SEO is a search engine optimization, means when search engine like a Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc., we used to find something on a Google and it will show the links on there, and the first link, second link, third link, we click on mostly first page links. That is the very popularity of that websites, and we can upgrade our website, we can optimize and we can optimize our website with the search engine marketing, search engine optimization, to give the site in a first page on a first rank. So we can do this by the SEO. After the SEO, it's content writing. It's not I can say that it's after the SEO, but yeah, it can side by side the SEO or side by side the development, side by side can be designing. So it is the different part of also a website. Content writing is a content text that you can view in your website, like about, home page, contact us, services, what is written material, what is the text that services we are provide dash, and this will all this text will be creating by the content writer. It is also a different stream. You can also choose, if you like it, then you can go for it. And it's also a very interesting part, because it's only a text that you can research, analyze and edit with your own, because there's issues of copyright, so you cannot copy the one's website content to the others. After the website, there is a missing part, that is testing. Yeah, the testing is like a bug fixing. After the complete the site, the website goes to the tester. And what is the tester do? The tester doing the test whole the site. He tests he or she will be the test all the site by the design, by the coding and the at all stages, all browsers, that no bug needs to be find. And if they will need any find the bug then they will go to the designer, development, any other team members with the related bug, and then it will fix by the same field. So after this bug fixing live site, there goes be updates, changes, maintenance, doing again coming. If there is a solid need of updations, then it will take time to ask clients, etc, etc. It's a long process, but not a very strange, and we can say that very different, but it is also a part of a websites. So here it all, my friends, this is the website design web process that you watching, and that's all. And thanks for watching my videos, but don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, and also comment your comments on a comment box, so that I can view what is your feedback on it. Thank you, bye bye, take care.